So now let's learn about the definition of AEO and how it is different from the traditional SEO. So in plain language, AEO, like answer engine optimization, is a practice of optimizing the content so that it can appear in the responses generated by AI-powered search tools and assistants. So it is also called as AI SEO, AI optimization, AI visibility, generative engine optimization, which is GEO, or LLM optimization. So the terms are very different, but in general, it's basically AEO, answer engine optimization. So the core idea is the same. Instead of optimizing only for search ranking for this from the search platforms, you're also optimizing to be surfaced or referenced, cited, or recommended in AI generated answers. But there's a slight nuance to it, because AEO is not entirely different from SEO. These are not two different things. The foundation is still SEO, because where is the content coming from? The content is coming from the blogs and all the web pages that you have created and which you have already optimized for SEO. A random website without an authority, without different EEAT principles are not going to get surfaced in the AI answer as well. High quality content still matters. Clear information architecture matters, and also topical authority matters, and also strong user experience also matters. So these are all the foundations of SEO as well, right? So AEO has a similar foundation as well. It's just that the platform is different. But AEO actually changes the output that we care about. So in search, we want the user to find and click our page. In AEO, we also want the system to understand our content. So the user is kind of this AI platform now. It should understand the content well enough to use it, and also the content has to be both discoverable and extractable in a structured way as well. So you could kind of relate with SEO here as well, right? So AEO is like a layer on top of SEO. The foundation is still SEO. It's not a replacement. It's an expansion to it. But let's now actually compare these two platforms. So SEO is more about keywords. You identify the terms people search, create content for these terms, and try to rank highly so that the users click through it. AEO is more about prompts and topics. Prompts are like full questions that are as I explained earlier, but these include like context, nuances, and so on. But the same topic can generate many prompts. So a topic is a combination of prompts, each with slightly different wording or intent. Second one is the goal. SEO actually focuses on, let's say, uh, getting ranking, earning clicks, and so on. But AU is more about being mentioned or cited in the answers. And also, SEO focuses on website as the place of optimization, right? But AEO is still there, like it's still considering website as optimization, but it is also it also expands beyond the website, because answer engines like AI platforms will get information from different places, like articles, comparison sites, not just your website, from forums like Reddit and so on, YouTube, LinkedIn, based on how it is trained, and also where it searches when someone asks for it, like Reddit reviews, a lot of third party sources as well. The next one is KPIs. KPIs change. Like in SEO, it's more about ranking, CTR, click through rate, and sessions. In AEO, it's more about mentions, citations, share of voice, sentiment analysis or sentiments, and also like positioning the narrative. Because visibility may happen even when the user never clicks, which you cannot really measure. And then the optimization scope changes. So you optimize only your website for SEO, but here you are actually optimizing the wider web, actually not just your website, but a lot of other platforms, so that wherever the AEO takes or the AI platforms take the information from, you are there, you have authority there, you have, you are being recommended there, and so on. So the message here is simple: do not abandon SEO. SEO is the foundation. Expand it for AEO, and AEO just becomes a new visibility layer.